Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to invoke decision matrix from integration procedure by using the matrix action. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last session, I have already discussed about how to create decision matrix, which is part of the business rules engine in OmniStudio, and I have created that decision matrix using that CSV file upload. For today's scenario, I have created another new decision matrix which is about like IPL 2025, that statistics, player statistics. So there are some list of player records are there, and we can find based on the player name. So player name is a text input, and based on the player name we can find different outputs, like the player is part of the which team, what was the run overall, total runs for the IPL 2025, and number of matches the player played, number of innings average, then strike rate, what are the number of hundreds, 50s, all of the statistics will be shown. So based on a player name input, we can just find their statistics for IPL 2025. So I'll be invoking this decision matrix from the integration procedure. So I have created multiple tutorials on the integration procedure as well. Please check them out, so that will be very useful for you. And for today I'll be just creating a new integration procedure for invoking that decision matrix. So I'll be providing the name like IPL 2025 players stats IP, and just providing like IPL 2025 player stats IP. So I'll be just clicking save, and I can just select from the available list of actions, I can just select this matrix action. So for my org, this matrix action is showing like by naming with the name like matrix action, but some of the upgraded org, it's just showing like a decision matrix action. So check them accordingly. So instead of matrix action, there will be like decision matrix action. So the name got updated in the upgraded release. So in my org, it's matrix action. I'll be just and in here I can find this checkbox like use decision matrix. So I need to select this checkbox, and in the drop down I can just select the matrix name respectively. So my matrix name is IPL 2025, and now the thing is that what is the input for this matrix. So the for this lookup table the input is player name. So this same input needs to be provided as the matrix input parameters. So the data source should be player name. This needs to be exactly matched with the lookup table header input. So this is the player name, this will be the input for our decision matrix table, and based on the input we can just find our respective statistics. And for print our response, I'll be just using that response action. So I'll be just drag and drop that response action, and in the additional output response I'll be adding key value pair in the additional output. So I'll be providing the name like IPL 2025 players player data, and in the march syntax I'll be just passing the matrix name. So matrix element name need to be passed within this additional output. And in the preview we can just preview by providing the player name. So player name needs to be in the key, if I just put the value like Virat Kohli, so based on this input I should find the respective stats for Virat Kohli for the IPL 2025, and we can see all of the respective statistics. So this is how we can just simply invoke decision matrix from the integration procedure and using this matrix action. So that's all for this session. I'll be adding more tutorials on how just we can leverage this integration procedure as a action within the OmniScript, so that we can just in the UI we can just show the respective data so properly. So I'll be adding more tutorials on those regard, and I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and OmniStudio topics. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.